Semo y'abakora imirimo ya serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii anene bali baligetwe imirimo kinga kicho mugavano mutangani James Ongwae abo batarakanwa emisara yabo asegeka kemetenyi 12 bono nigo bali birero
kolengana na benye ukorasongo rwa Gusii bono baligetwe inse yoburayi bwa yo mugavano bwa kaunti ya Kisii kinga kicho James Ongwae nigo bangani yo mugavano bwa kaunti ya Kisii obono police mbarati koneke munango bwatakale chibese chinyare kunyara kubayikeranye imirimo yabo ya kiralituko niko bate birebuno gotago chebase cyabo niko gosegetira kolengano bwamate anega sengincho niko baligetwe no mugavana omukoro omurikeito Josephat Amisi noroboti urwasintira y'ubikirano
ensemo y'abakori emiremo b'eki sector aime county ya Kisii abakagere kuri kwa emiremo no yokabere omugavana we county ya Kisii James Ongwae nabo igutakanwa asemetenyi 12 bono niko besokire ndakomuboria omugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati anyare ko bagakobakana chibesa cyabo irinde banyare ko bakogendera amone emiremo
babu ya kwamba sisi tumeteseka sana. Sisi tangu tuajiriwe tumesumbuka, hatujailipwa kwa miezi 14 sasa. Like now, take an example, somebody like me. Unajua mimi ni mtu nataka mtu wa kunitembeza. Na huyu mtu gaida wangu lazima nimulipe. Mimi ni mtu naishi kwa rental house. Sasa imefikia mahali siwezi weza kulipa nyumba, siwezi weza kulipa mtu wangu wa kutembea.
I'm one of the workers of the Kisii County government. I'm the Department of Veterinary. But I was employed on August last year. We've been working. We've been doing the services to the county, which are the essential services. But it's unfortunate that we are going through hell of life.
Ukwana amane kinyomba cy'oburaria nigo abakora imirimo yo batebire banyarako bakwerwa na kwenekinga bakorire emirimo asa kinsemo gati yabo kiskuru chirie kya Tibet na boigo kiskuru kya ICD kurende kwikira boni goti baranyarako bagwakanwa emeshara yabo iyeirere anene akongwikirania amagani yabo akiralituko.
Na mimi niliajiriwa, nimepewa appointment letter, nimepewa reporting letter, nimepewa deployment letter. Nikakuwa happy, mimi nilikuwa nafanya kazi na nakada. Nikakuwa happy ya kwamba nimepata kazi na serikali. Nikaacha kazi yenye nilikuwa nafanya, nilikuwa able, nikakuja kufanya kazi ya serikali.
Sincerely, we offer our services and we do whatever is needed. But we've tried to follow all this through. No one is listening to us. And it's been so painful. We get to wengine tunatoka mbali, we travel, we do 1-2 here and there, offering the services to the county, but nothing is working.
Chinkaki echechinigo wamubolire mugavana bwa county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati anyare ko bagakobakana emeshara yabo irinde banyara ko bakwegendereria n'obugima bwabo bwakiralituko.
So is our plea to our excellency governor. We love you and we voted for you. We are the Kisii people who you love them. Why can't you consider us, please? It's not a big issue to help us because we have families, we are suffering, we have people who are going through hell of life, we have children who are in schools, but here we are. Every now and again we cry, no help. What is the way forward, our governor?
Governor, tumeongea kwa uzuri. Governor, unajua, he has a very sweet tongue. Tumejaribu, lakini kufikia saa hii sasa, we want him to come. Akuja atueleze, ndio from there, sasa tuweze kuchukua hatua yenye tunataka. Hiyo ndio tunataka, akuja atueleze kama atuko, atueleze atuko. So that we start from there now. Because every Monday we are going to make this movement now. We are not going to give him time. Every Monday tuko na yeye. Hivyo ndio tumedecide.
Reporter Ndizi TV kuri county ya Kisii, Elitarana Josephat Amisi.